So this video is really overdue. I was supposed to edit this thing last month because I got all the recordings ready, but then I'm a lazy cunt, so I didn't edit it at all. But it's basically, I found a broken iPad. It has a broken home button. The screen is half broken. The touch works sometimes. So I had to fix it in 2 weeks, and I ordered all the parts on a Chinese website called Taobao. And I was in China back then, so it would technically count as I fixed it in China. And yeah, don't call me clickbait because I need views, and please give me some understanding. So the first thing I did is obviously open it up, see what's wrong with it. Maybe the screen is broken because of dust under the screen, because as you can see, there's some dust under it. And the home button, maybe the cable just disconnected somehow. So that's exactly what I did. By the way, it's probably really good to point out now that the video quality is absolute shit. I know that because I'm fucking recording on my $200 Huawei phone, and it does not have a very good camera, as you can see. So please deal with it. If this video gets some views, I'll buy a new camera. Hey, so please support me. If you guys are wondering why do I have game footage in the front of my video, it's because I couldn't find anything to fill in the blank. So this is gotta do. By the way, here's all the tools I use in this video. They cost about $30 altogether. And yeah, I'll link them in the description if you want to buy them. But you probably can't get them because they don't ship to anywhere in the world except for China. But if you're just so happy to be China, you can get them. They're pretty good. After some struggle, I finally got the iPad open. The way I did it is use the heat gun to heat up the corners, the edges, and then use a small plastic bits to slice open the adhesives. After taking everything apart, I found out the home button, the cable that connects to the home button, is snapped. And tried cleaning the touchscreen, but it didn't help at all, so I have to get a new touchscreen for the replacement and the home button. And probably a new battery, because the battery in this iPad is also dying. So I went back on Taobao and tried to find the replacement part for my iPad. But when you're searching, just gotta be careful, because there are like copies instead of originals. If you buy those, they might not work as well as the originals. So I'll link these 3 down in the description. I'm not responsible if they don't work, but these are just the things I use to fix my iPad. So it turns out the home button and the battery doesn't arrive in time, but I'm going on a trip soon, so I better fix my iPad so I have a working iPad for the trip. And if I have to go to home, I have to use the freaking touch assistant or whatever that crap is called. By the time I get back, these parts probably already arrived, so I'll try to fix my iPad again to hopefully make it work. So it turns out the camera on this fucking iPad is also broken. First of all, it doesn't want to focus. Second of all, it has that freaking black corner on the edge. I never realized. So yeah, that's another thing on my fucking shopping list. Another thing is that I have to get adhesive to glue my iPad back together the next time I open it, because this time there's adhesive on the touchscreen that I bought, but next time I won't have it, so I need extra adhesive. And the camera unit, I'll link both of them in the description. Once again, it's not my problem if anything goes wrong.